Hello you guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a tutorial, okay? We're not really, yes, we are trying out new makeup, but I'm not really doing a review. I just really wanted to sit down, play with makeup, create a fun, colorful spring/summer tutorial. I haven't done anything colorful in a very long time, and so I decided to just bring out the creative juices and show you guys something like this, something bomb. Also, a lot of these products that I will be using today, you can shop for them at Ulta and Sephora. If you are not using an app where you can earn cash back every time you shop, let me tell you about the Flooz app. The Flooz app is a free collaborative earning app that is super easy to use and it puts your money on max. By using my link in the description box down below, you can earn up to 2 boosts, which unlock up to 25% cash back on merchants such as CVS, Target, Walmart, Ulta, and many more. When you're at checkout and you're ready to pay, all you have to do is open your Flooz app. Once you have that open, then you have to select the same store. For example, I was at Ulta, so went ahead and looked up Ulta, and then you enter your purchase total, including any taxes and fees. Flooz will then create a gift card for that same amount, and all you have to do is either copy the code to pay online or show the cashier the barcode. It's super easy. They will scan it and bam, you've got cash back. So thank you to Flooz for sponsoring today's video. With that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. Jumping right in, we're taking our base. This is the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow base in 02. Really great product, you guys. Highly recommend. If you are looking for something new, we're going to apply that, and then we're going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, one of my favorite palettes that you can find at Ulta. I'm mixing two shades. It's a shade of red and orange to really create like a bright neon burnt orange red. And this is going to be the transitional shade. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was just kind of winging it, and then the vision came to me. But I'm stamping this on the eye, and then I'm cleaning off my brush, and I am using that same color with no additional product on the brush and just kind of going over the edges to make sure everything is nice and smooth. I'm going to use this Beauty Creations base in the shade Pink, and I'm taking that all over the lid. As you can see, it's not super bright, but it's okay because we are going in with a second color. Again, this is from the same palette, and you guys, I recently discovered these new little brushes from e.l.f. If I can link them, I will link them, but this brush itself is amazing for setting the lid. And I took the hot pink in the palette, laid it all over the lid, and then I took the yellow. Again, I was just kind of winging it at this point. I knew that I wanted to be something colorful, but I didn't exactly know where I was going, so we were kind of winging things at this point. Then we took the purple. It turned a little bit like bluish purpley, but it worked out in the end, and I applied that to the outer corners, really concentrating that in the outer V, not bringing it in too much. As you can see, I didn't cut the crease because I wasn't really going for that look. And then I cleaned up the edges with a little with a makeup remover wipe that I have. For lashes, I actually didn't use these Popsy lashes. I used, I think, Boss from Popsy lashes that I will have in the description box. So for my primer, I tried this new e.l.f. Primer, which I really ended up liking, but I applied it too much and it smells so good. It's from their Good Vibes Only collection. I really liked it, you guys. It smoothed out the skin. And then of course we're going with the OG foundation. This for me just chef's kiss. I love this foundation so much. The Too Faced Born This Way. Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Warm Beige. I am talking a million miles an hour. But I'm just blending that in with my e.l.f. sponge that I found at TJ Maxx. If you guys haven't seen my TJ Maxx haul, I will have a link. But after that, we're going to go in with the Quickie Concealer by Urban Decay. This has quickly become, not pun intended, but this has quickly become one of my favorite concealers. It's full coverage, it's creamy, it blends out really easily, and they have so many shades available. Again, you can find this at Ulta. And then for new products, I'm testing out the Tower Sculptino Soft Contour Cream in the shade Getty. I actually really like this product. It's not as like in your face. It's more on the sheer side, but it looks so beautiful and it blends super nicely. It's very creamy and it lays on the skin very nicely. So I really enjoyed that. If you guys are looking for a cream bronzer that's not super pigmented for like the no makeup days, you know what I mean. We're going to blend that out, and then the concealer. So for my powder, I tried this Derma Blend powder for the first time. I bought this during the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta, and oh my goodness, I don't know what's taking me so long. This powder gave me such an HD skin. I am obsessed. Now for my bronzers, again, trying out some new products from ColourPop. Shout out to them for sending these over to me. These are the new matte bronzers in the shade Summerland Beach and Pacific Beach. These are so creamy, you guys. I'm holding these on my hands right now, and I can't get over how beautiful both of these shades are. They're perfect for every day. I was very, very impressed. And then for my blush, again, ColourPop just released some new colors, and this is the shade Papaya. These are the pressed powder blushes. They're so creamy. They're not crazy pigmented. They're more like a buildable blush. I just applied that all over the cheeks and a little bit on the forehead. And I also went with one of their new highlighters. And again, this whole formula, it's not like crazy pigmented, and I'm here for it because it's buildable and I can work with that. So applying a little bit of highlighter and then going in with a gel eyeliner. This is by LA Colors. I will have the name in the description box down below. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do pink or yellow, but I felt like pink was just really going to bring this whole look together. And then at the end, I applied a little bit more of the pink shadow and then that purple to kind of just meet the eyeshadow at the bottom. Now for my setting spray, this is the new Milk Makeup Mask Setting Spray. Make sure you shake it because they will leave a white dots on your skin. But I used this all day and I love the results. It really kept me matte and it kept my makeup locked. For my lipstick, I am using ABH Cool Brown and then the NYX Suede Lipstick in Blankety. The Sephora Lip Stain in 32 just on the center because I really wanted a pale, pale nude. And then for the gloss, this is the Milani Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne. It is so bomb and I loved the way this lip combo turned out. What do you guys think? And this is the final look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's colorful spring tutorial, very in your face, but I love the way this look turned out. If you guys recreated, of course, tag me on my socials so I can repost you. And also don't forget to check out the Flooz app. I will have the link in the description box. Please use my link so you can earn the most and get the most cash back. Happy shopping. I love you guys. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video.